That's pretty bad. I bet you can't snore louder when you close your mouth. Watch. Compared to, right? It's much quieter when your mouth is closed. So do everyone around you a favor and get this. This hostage shape is going to be your new best friend. It's a super lightweight, breathable fabric you put over your mouth at night before you sleep so that your snoring won't be quite so loud. Super stretchy and super comfortable, and you just apply it really easily like this, making it super difficult to snore as loud as you normally would. Watch. Compared to, huge difference, right? Don't spend another night keeping everyone awake. Grab one now.